Okay, so let us solve this math problem. So this is just a basic arithmetic problem where it involves add and subtract, although it is somehow a little tricky. So let me teach you how to analyze and solve this. But before that, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel after you have watched this video, if you believe that you have learned something from this. Alright, so let's read the problem first. In the subtraction problem, which is here shown below, of a 3-digit from a 4-digit number, A, B, and C represent three different digits. So it's given that they are different. What digit does C represent? Okay, so the choices are A is 0, B is 2, C is 4, and D is 7. So let us find the answer together. So um, B obviously must be 0. So B must be 0 because 7 minus 0 is 7. So you cannot have any value of B, so that's 7 minus that B is 7. It should be 0. So this is 0. So you can replace that with 0. And then now let's continue with 0 minus 4. So of course we cannot subtract that. We have to borrow from the left side. So we'll just use another color for that. So borrow from this. So this becomes 3 and this 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So this A is 6. So this is 6. So every A should be replaced with 6. Alright, so A is 6. Now what we are left is the C. Alright, so I'm gonna continue with since we're done with the second one, we're gonna move to the third column, 3 minus 6. Of course we cannot subtract 3 minus 6 because 3 is smaller. So we're going to borrow from here. It will become 5 and the 3 will be 10 plus 3 is 13. So to those that doesn't know how to subtract, just in case if you don't know how to do subtraction manually, when you borrow 1 from the left, then you're going to add 10 to the right side. That's the basic rule. So the 3 becomes 13 because we borrow 1 from the left. So 13 minus 6. Oh, sorry. So yeah, 13 minus 6 is how much? So 6, 13 minus 6. So what's the number to add? You get this 13. So that is 7 because 7 plus 6 is 13. So this C must be 7 because 13 minus 6 is 7. So it is 7. So the answer in this problem is D.